Hello, good morning. Welcome to my morning news with Oludayo. It's a great privilege to be with you this morning. Always an exciting time to wake up in the morning to share an insight with you. Something I believe will help you alter the course of your day and ultimately shift the quality of results you have in this day. Today we continue in our Influencing Change series. Are you influencing the outcomes of your life? This is a question I'd like you to ponder upon as you go about in your activities for today. All right, today, the word in focus is create. Create. And this is the muse I want you to ponder upon as you try to influence change in your daily activity. When the prevalent isn't what you think should be an ideal, produce its replacement. I'll say that again. When the prevalent isn't what you think should be an ideal, produce its replacement. I'll tell you a little story about how Covenant University in Nigeria came to be. The Chancellor of the university, Dr. David Oyedepo, once said to us, for those of us who sat with him, and said, Covenant University would not have no need coming into the business of education if they had nothing to add to it. And what were they coming to add? They saw the inconsistency in the academic calendars. They saw the lack of good quality education. They saw lack of character formation, and this became the value proposition that he was bringing through the university. What was available was not the ideal, so he produced its replacement. I'd like to charge you today, when what you see is not what you want, create what you want, which is the ideal. Understand that? Have a great day.